Alright, so we are going to subtract mixed numbers with like denominators. And I'm going to use models to kind of eliminate some of the regrouping issues that the students may have. So we're going to start off with drawing 4 different squares. And the reason that we need 4 squares is because we got to show 3 holes, and we also have to show the 3 6. And since our denominator is 6, we're going to divide all of them up into, let me fix it a little bit, 6 equal parts. Alright, once you have your 6 equal parts, you are going to shade in all 6 of one of your squares to represent one hole. I'm just going to lightly shade. This is my one hole, and then I'll do it again to the second square to show 2 holes. And then I'll do it one more time, and this shows 3 holes. So that means 3 whole squares are shaded in. All of the parts of this square, the second square, and the third square are all shaded in. That gives me 3 holes. And now I have to show my 3 6. So that means 3, 1, 2, 3 out of 6 equal parts are shaded in. So if you look again, this is 1, 2, 3, and 3 6. So now I'm going to subtract the 2 6. So my whole number is a 2. I am going to, let me change the color for a second, get rid of 1 hole and get rid of 1 more hole. So I just subtracted or x'd out or took away 2 holes, and the last thing for me to do is to take away 4 6. I'm going to start over to my far right, and this is 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6. So all I have left is, let's count, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that leaves me with 5 6 is my answer. That is how you subtract and eliminate some of the issue with regrouping with mixed numbers having like denominators.